everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be covering the landscaping that I did at the base of my tree. And this very quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how I did this step by step. This project took 30 minutes of my time and only cost me $15. The round plastic edging, that was about $10, and then on top of that I got 2 bags of soil and 2 bags of mulch. The first thing I did was tie a piece of rope to the trunk, and I measured how far out I wanted this barrier to be. I used this as my sizing guide, and it helped ensure that the tree was centered in this landscaping circle. Then using some leftover spray chalk, I walked around the tree and I held the rope tight, outlining my digging area. I actually ended up expanding this circle before I started to dig. To dig, I just used a shovel. I also had an edging tool. You don't necessarily need your edging tool. It makes it a little bit easier. However, just use a shovel that you have at home. Having a tree ring will help promote healthier growth for your tree. Without a distinct border, a tree base has less protection and the area may become easily damaged by foot traffic and lawnmowers. The ground can dry up too fast, resulting in poor quality soil that lacks the nutrients for healthy growth. Adding mulch at the base of a tree will reduce the amount of weed growth, and these wood chips also act as a soil insulator year-round, keeping the ground cool in the summer and warm in the winter months. Now you may be wondering why I created a ring around this tree, and the answer is quite simple. Mulch retains a lot of water, a lot of moisture, and constant sogginess right up against that tree bark leads to rot and decay over time, and if possible, it's best to avoid this very common practice of what's called volcano-style mulching. And the roots of this tree are not directly beneath this trunk, they've spread out, and you want a lot of water to reach those roots. With any of the rain, wind, even just watering, your mulch is going to start to get flat. Just come back and fill your ring, just move it out of the way, and that way we're not suffocating the tree trunk. Hopefully this has helped you. As always, thanks for watching.